Thanks for joining us. You're with Chris at Car Cave in Aiken, South Carolina. Website is carcaveusa.com. Phone number is 803-262-4742. If you need financing, reach out to us. We work with a variety of lenders. We can point you in the right direction. What we're doing here today is a walk around in a 1970 Mercury Cougar XR7. And if you've already landed here, you're watching our walk around video, you know why this is special, but we're still gonna go over it. A beautiful car, 1 out of 17 made, the 428 4-speed convertible, the only one that was made. And excuse me, a little sick right now. So bear with me, I do have the flu, so I'm trying to get through this. I'll probably reshoot it too here in a week or two when I get over it. Finished in competition blue, so a concourse-level restoration. It was done by KTL Restorations, who know these cars really well. It came out spectacular. It's a stunning car. Garage kept. You go around every little fine finish detail, and that is not a gap wrong. That is actually the door not being shut all the way from us doing photos here. So there's your door gap back to where it needs to be when the door is actually shut. It's all your gaps, all your lines, even the tires down in the polyglass F70-14s, the chrome trim rings, the wheels, the bright work, everything is done nicely and done well. Your windshield's clean. There's not chips. It's a stunning car. Runs, drives. I didn't even get to the part. It's a 428 4-speed. Drives extremely well. Idles good. Goes down the road well. Very limited number of miles since the restoration was completed. It is the date-correct 428 Cobra Jet engine, and it's a 4-speed close ratio transmission. You have the ram air induction hood, and then black leather bucket seats. It was also ordered with I think it was a 350 rear end, power steering, power front disc brakes. There's ownership history on this thing going back all the way until 1979. So good ownership history. It's well documented. Have a Marty report, and was garage kept by the previous owner. So I'll show you real quick. There's a big Marty report in the trunk, and over here we have the Marty report. You can see the quick one here. Competition blue. It was ordered down to the Jacksonville district, the 350 rear end. You go through pictures of the car, long history knowledge that was written up, previous owner, so documented when it was restored, previous titles, ownership, fall 81, prior to restoration, titles, so all the way back to 79. You have a good history file, all the original documentation, pictures, so collection, the binders, receipts, documentation of the build. You go through, these guys knew Cougars well. I mean, it's the small, fine details of how this car would have left the factory. And the paint quality. Mirror finish, we gave it a detail, but we didn't have to go in and do any cutting of paint or compounding or anything. It showed up in spectacular condition. Shipped it up and closed. Like I said, all the bright work, all the finishes, great. Pinstriping straight. Rocker is good. We can get this thing up on a lift for you to go deeper inspection. Let's go under the hood. That's the fun part here. So you can see everything in here tidy, period correct, all your proper identifying marks, auto light stickers. Everything is placed how it should be. Proper hardware, proper finish, proper placement. The company that restored this was well researched. This car is known on the internet too, so you can find it written up. I believe it was Hemmings and a few other articles. The shop did good work, so there's nothing you can get in here and knock about the vehicle. Even on their engine rebuild, their marking, valve covers, just the period correct nature of the entire thing. Radiator, your headlight assemblies. Excuse me. We've looked the whole thing over. The build is the best you're going to find. I don't think there's any other on the market or that become available that you're going to find that are better quality and better condition. So every little fine detail. Top works great. We're not going to demonstrate today, but we can take it out for a drive and run the top up and down, and with the boot cover, which you saw the tag hanging out here. While your door lights work, the carpets, just have a little pad in here. Your carpets are all clean. Your dash is in great shape. For some reason, somewhere there's about a leather sun visors. I don't know why we noted that in our write-up there, if there's something special. I didn't start diving in on the really deep build sheet. You do have your amp meter, fuel gauge, tack, everything here. All the gauges are functional. You have a choke down low. We went through everything. This is as period correct as you're going to find a Cougar, especially with the 428 4-speed. So, like I said, all the little fine finish details that you find on a level of this car, they're completed and they were done. It will not disappoint whatsoever. I'm just giving you a visual from all different angles and talking and seeing things as I look here. I'm gonna switch over, get the trunk opened up. That was, I'll put these back in my pocket. So you see the spare had the frame Marty report here. Even your trunk light is working, the liner's correct, and we can get all this peeled back. So even your finish and detail work on the bottom of the trunk lid, everything is appropriate. Fuel cap. Sorry, I'm a little slow with the flu here today. Your markers line up, your lenses. Like I said, all the bright and finish work. It's impressive. This was a cool car to bring into the building here and be able to experience. You can see both the lights for opening the door are working. Your lights on both footwells underneath. You can see the back of the seats here. Seat belts being new. Seat pockets. I don't see any wear on any of the upholstery. I don't see any kick marks on the door cards. The door panels, all the windows roll up smoothly. Everything, every little detail's there. So it's a excellent car. If you're in the market for one of these, you're not going to find anything comparable. I know I'm repeating myself, so I apologize. This is the creme de la creme. This is the top available in the market. So if you have any additional questions, you want to review the service work, the restoration, the history file on it, the documentation, let us know. We'll get it up on a rack for you and go over everything with you. All your emblems, everything is proper. It shifts well. I had a chance to go out, take it out for a spin and drive it. We've not found anything non-functional in the car. There's been no leaks. You can see the little small details when you go in here, the grease pen, your inner fender wells. Everything is a very clean, proper automobile. Again, my name is Chris. It's with Car Cave USA in Aiken, South Carolina. If you have questions regarding this car, 803-262-4742. Car Cave USA is our handle on all channels, social media, and our website, carcaveusa.com. Like I said, this one will not disappoint. Reach out to me or the team here. They're available. We have several people to answer the phone. We like to get back to everybody in a timely manner, so if you don't get us right at first, someone will call you back pretty quickly. If you look around our collection, we have a good variety here. So you have in between Porsche, and we have a Cortina and a Integra Type R, some Alfa Romeos, some Land Rovers, some Mustangs, Mach 1, 428, 2002 Ti, a little Langley Turbo, a couple diesel Toyotas floating around here, a Ford Escort, a Lancia. We got a neat assortment. Renault 5 GT Turbo, a Isetta, another Toyota. So look us up. Been getting into more American muscle recently. Our guys over in Europe are starting to appreciate it more. So I've been on the hunt and finding some really, really cool things. So check in with us. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you are viewing. You got questions, reach out to the team here. Thank you.